guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about keywords, which another viewer in the comments had said, hey, I want to learn a little bit more about keywords when creating YouTube videos. So I thought, why not make a video about it? So we're in my channel, guys, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys an example of how to search for keywords in YouTube, and it's absolutely free, guys. You guys might be amazed. Some of you might know how this already works. If you do, I'd appreciate it if you still watch the video. If you don't, then hopefully I'm giving you a lot of value when you create your next video. So we're basically gonna just go over it briefly. I'm not gonna go into it in full detail. I can do that in another video on what I actually use to get better keywords and get better tags and how to rank on YouTube a little bit better than what you might be doing right now. So for instance, this video here for my 2021 Dodge Ram Tradesman 2500, as you guys can see, I got over 1,500 views on this video. I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a new incognito window, and the reason why we're doing that is because YouTube saves your searches. So if you go to YouTube search and it finds out what you're previously looking for, it might add to that. And this is just going to be a clean cut way of finding out exactly what people are searching for on YouTube. So we're going to go to youtube.com, and basically you want to start out in the beginning of what you want to title your video. So for instance, mine was 2021 Dodge Ram Tradesman, and you guys can see here where it goes Tradesman 2500, and if you guys click on it, you guys will see I am the second video there on the YouTube page. So I am number 2 right now out of searching. So if you search for 2021 Dodge Ram Tradesman 2500, you guys will see I come up as number 2, which is awesome. And that's just to give you guys an idea. So let's say you want to look up how to cook Chinese food, and you guys can see you can learn how to cook Chinese food, learn how to cook Chinese fried rice, learn how to cook Chinese sausage, and let's just click on learn how to cook Chinese sausage rather. So you guys can see here the second video has 119,000 views, the first video is 146,000 views. So basically this is a good starting point on how to find out what people are searching for in YouTube. So let's say we want to find out what is the best microphone for YouTube videos. And you guys can see here you have different search options. What is the best microphone for YouTube videos? Best microphone for YouTube videos 2020. So I'm just going to click on the second one and we'll see what comes up. As you guys can see, 5 best microphones for YouTube 2020. What kind of mic is best for YouTube? They have it listed in parentheses, all budgets. So basically, you can find out anything. So you can do another one, how to get more views on YouTube. And you guys can see here, it's 2021, so people might want to click this, how to get more views on YouTube 2021. You click on that, you can see here, no surprise, Think Media comes up. Think Media, I love Think Media, they're great. So go over and check out their channel. No, this is not a plug, but Think Media is a very nice channel if you want to learn how to create content, you know, and use different tools and features, different equipment based on a budget. Think Media is a great place for that. And as you guys can see, how to get views on YouTube in 2021, cool new strategy. And you guys can see they have 37,000 views, and you go up, how to get more views in YouTube 2021 with these, and that's got 17,000 views. vidIQ, by the way, is another, you know, cool channel if you guys want to check out how to get more views on YouTube, and they can go a little bit more in depth and so forth. So a lot of these top YouTubers that I watch, another one here, Brian G. Johnson, how to get more views in YouTube 2021 in 2 minutes. If you only have 2 minutes and your attention span's like mine, you might only want to watch that video for 2 minutes. That's what I do too sometimes. Let's just pick one more. We'll do, let's think here, iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can see here, iPhone 13, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone ringtone, iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. Now, if you guys have watched my channel from before, you guys will know I do some unboxings. So let's test that out. Unboxing Five Below AirPods. Let's see what comes up. Let's see if I come up here. There you go, guys. 2 of my videos. Unboxing Five Below AirPods with charging case. Unboxing Five Below AirPods. 2 of my videos. One video's got 8.4K views. The other video's got 23,000 views. Let's scroll down. Another video, unboxing Five Below AirPods with power case. I have 908 views. Probably not my best, but I went with it. I did unboxing Five Below AirPods because I know that was being searched for in YouTube search. And as you guys can see, I ranked 2 videos at the top of the page. And I thought I would add, unboxing Five Below AirPods with power bank case. So when you search unboxing Five Below AirPods, you're going to come up with power bank case, unboxing Five Below AirPods, and also unboxing Five Below AirPods with charging case. So those are the different ways you can title your video. So that's just a little bit of a quick tutorial, and just to show you guys how you can use YouTube search engine to maximize your video titles on your videos. I think this is going to help you guys. Hopefully you guys find some value. You definitely want to find something that people are searching for in the YouTube search, and that's going to help. I have to admit there's a lot of things that I thought that would rank good on my channel that have not. So do your research, guys. Go through and use the YouTube search, use it in the incognito, use it in the in private if you're using Internet Explorer, and this will give you a clean slate on what people are searching for on YouTube, and that should help you guys. So hopefully you guys found some value in this video. If you found any value, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, guys, later.